Away they go. Runaway Star from the outside. Classic quality. Tigerus Queen moving up. Yellow Soldier. Bondi Bay. Born Tycoon. The Here Song. Yes, Commander is the early trailer. Royal Soldier followed by Tigerus Queen. Classic quality moving up is Born Tycoon. Runaway Star is racing in fifth from the outside, running down on the inside. The Here Song, Bondi Babe, and Yes Commander. And rounding the far turn, Yellow Soldier, Born Tycoon, Tigerus Queen, Classic Quality. Runaway Star moving up by Darrell. The Here Song racing in six by about 3 lengths. Bondi Babe, Yes Commander. As they raise the corner, Born Tycoon, Yellow Soldier, Runaway Star, sneaking by Darrell. And on the outside, Tigerus Queen, as they raise the last 200. Born Tycoon on the outside, Yellow Soldier, and Runaway Star down on the inside. Born Tycoon, Runaway Star, and Yellow Soldier. And nearing the finish line, number 4, Born Tycoon, Runaway Star, Yellow Soldier, The Here Song, and Tigerus Queen.